Good everyone, welcome to math class. Today we are looking at the last aspect of speed. Please, whenever you get this video, try as much as possible to share it with your friends and tell them to always press the subscribe button whenever they get to the channel. Okay, we are looking at speed, and the aspect of speed we are looking at today is time. I told you that the formula for speed, which is also average speed, is equal to distance covered over time taken. Okay, now if we make time taken the subject of the formula, we are looking for time taken. Just cross this and multiply this by this. That would be speed times time equals to distance. Because this will multiply this, it will give you distance. Remember, we are looking for time. So we divide both sides by speed. That will be speed times time over speed equals to distance over speed. So this, we cancel this, leaving us with time. So time equals to distance over speed. That is the formula for time. The formula for time is distance covered or distance traveled over average speed. So let's look at some examples now. So now we have example number 1. At what time will a train travel from Lagos if it leaves at number 1? At what time will a train arrive Lagos if it leaves at 6 a.m. and covers 160 km at 32 km per hour? We apply our formula. Okay, our formula is time equals distance over speed. Okay, our distance here is 160 kilometers and the speed is 32 kilometers per hour. This will eliminate this remaining hour. Then let's divide this. 4 here will give us 8. 4 here will give us 40. 8 here 1, 8 here 5. So our answer is 8 hours. It's 5 hours, sorry. Then the question is, at what time will a train arrive Lagos if it leaves at 6 a.m.? So if you leave at 6 a.m., add 6 plus 5, your answer is 11 a.m. That is the time. So by 11 a.m., this train is supposed to arrive at Lagos. Number 2, the question says, how long will a man take to cover a distance of 7 kilometers by walking 4 kilometers per hour? 7 kilometers by walking 4 kilometers per hour. Time equals distance over speed. Okay, our time equals, the distance here is 7 kilometers and our speed is 4 kilometers per hour. This will cancel this. 4 here will give us 1, remaining 3 over 4 hours. That's the time. Okay, then the last question, calculate the time if Sunday covers a distance of 125 kilometers at 5 kilometers per hour. Number 3, time equals distance over speed. Okay, time equals, the distance here is 125 kilometers over 5 kilometer per hour. 5 here will give us 1, 5 here will give us 25. So our time here is 25 hours. So that is all about time. If you have any question, you can send it directly to me. I'm going to give you some exercise now to work on. Exercises. Number 1, a motor car travels 4 kilometers at 40 kilometers per hour. How long will it? I come again. A motor car travels 4 hours at 40 kilometers per hour. How long will it take another car to travel the same distance at 16 kilometers? Remember, there's no distance given to you. You have to first look for the distance covered here first, then the distance, you use it to solve for the question you are being asked of. Okay, so take note of that. Then number 2, a ship sails 400 kilometers in 18 hours. How many days will it take to cover 1,600 kilometers at the same rate? Okay, you have to look for the average speed here. Average speed is not given to you. Look for the average speed first before you look for your time. Number 3, a traveler travels from point A to point B, a distance of 300 kilometers. If it travels at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour, what time will it take to cover the distance? Okay. Then number 4, what time will it take a cat to walk around a fence that is 3 kilometers long if its speed is 500 meters per hour? Remember, this is not in kilometer, so we change it to kilometer first before you get your answer. Then the last question, number 5, what time will it take a horse to cover 588 kilometers if its speed is 98 kilometers per hour? Thank you.